Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In our lesson number 3, we learn how to create 3D walls. In our lesson number 1, we learn the basic settings. Lesson number 2, we move forward and we reach up to 2D plan. In lesson number 3, we created 3D walls. And in our lesson number 4, today we will make 3D roof. Roof can be sloped concrete roof, or it can be solid straight concrete roof, or it can be a heap roof. It can be aluminum or steel or something. In any case, we need to create just simple 3D roof. So we'll start how to create the roof. This is basic tutorial for beginners. So these are our walls that we created before. Now today for this also I created one 3D roof layer and one 3D flooring layer. So in our video we will make the basic floor today and basic roof. So we'll turn off our all. Before turning off, because to make the floor we need to shift our house. Our house is just from 0 level, but under the house and under the walls there is a plinth that we did not consider in our basic drawing. So now I'll shift and I'll make this one. So we'll give it 1 feet. Now our has already shifted above. Now we can turn off our all additional layers. Just remember, if you will turn off any layer and you will shift something, it will not shift with the thing that you already shifted. So keep the layers always turned on when you are shifting an item. Now it's okay. I'll move it to plan view. Now this is our house and this can be our flooring reference. I'll take offset 6 inch or 3 inch. It's enough to make a little offset to make the separation from first I will take one rectangle. (3-inch enter). This already rectangle is there. We will turn on our flooring layer. Now I will move it to 3D view, isometric view, ext enter. Will give direction, either direct 1 feet in opposite direction, or if you are moving your cursor like this, you can give -1 feet, so it will go bottom side. Now our floor and plinth both are ready. Now we can give one to make it more clear for drainage and everything. We can give one more rectangle here. We can make one more rectangle from here to here, and we can create one layer. It should be name in drain. This look. I'll make it in magenta color just to specify it in a different color. We'll close our layer window. I will make it like this and we'll change the layer. This. So we will make a drain current layer. We'll turn off flooring. But our drain layer is also in flooring, so we'll keep it on. I will hide this one. I will convert this layer into drain. I will take enter 2 feet offset outside. I will remove this extra ext enter. Now, and we can just make it should be sloped, but we'll create sloped after some time. I'll show you now. Just for separation I'll make it. So I will give it 2" enter. Isolate, end object isolation. And now if we'll go to our top view, so we have drained and our flooring and everything is ready. Now we can turn on we can make our 3D roof layer current layer, and we can turn off 3D flooring and as well as drain. For roof, what we'll do, we'll take a rectangle, simple one rectangle. We'll move back to 3D view. It is in bottom corner. We can take it into the top corner, or we can just shift M enter and 10 feet, or now we added 1 feet more, so we can edit 11 feet. I'll take one offset, enter 1 feet, enter, and just I will extend it, ext enter, and I will, if you will see in bottom, there is direction, path, taper angle, and expression. So this time we need taper angle because we are making a slope roof. T enter, and just we will click here and height here. So this is our sloped roof. It is ready now. For sloped roof we need hair cover. What I will do, I will take into the front view. Now XZ direction, this lower left corner, if you will see this UCS is in XZ direction. Here if we will draw any line, it cannot be straight. See, you will draw and it cannot be straight. It either go X or Y. So we will make XY direction either from here XY, or we can do UCS enter and we can click on here. See here bottom side there is face, named, object, previous view, world, etc. You should need to put for face F enter, and here click here and accept. Now it is in XY direction. Now we can easily work here, PL enter, and we will make one line for cover here. What we'll do, we will keep it 7 inch. It is enough. 7 inch by 0.5 inch, then 7 inch, then C enter, it will automatically close it. Now again we will go back, UCS enter, W enter, so that it will come in the normal position that we change the UCS. Now I'll shift it into the corner here, but I'll turn off this roof layer also. I will make current layer 0 layer so that I can turn off this roof. I'll turn off roof. Before turning off the roof, what I will do, I will change this one. I will take one, I'm going to make one rectangular box. as a path here. I will move back to isometric view. Now I will just hide it. For wall I will do what? I will hide walls also. We need this as a polyline to make this. I will just trim this area so that the thickness will not cross the thickness again. I will delete this reference line. I will extend it back to the corner. Make sure it will join completely. Now I will do ext enter. I will just click on this and this. If I will go like this, I cannot go corner, I cannot go like this. So what I will do, you can see behind here in the bottom we have direction and we have path. I will enter P enter and choose the path. See, our cover is completed. Now I will isolate end object isolation. I will convert this into 3D roof. Now you can see our 3D roof also completed. And we can go to the realistic view and we can see not just conceptual view. I will turn on floor, walls, depth points, all layers I will turn on. You can press shift and go to the bottom and turn on all layers in one go. Now we'll go here, see, our roof, our house, flooring, drain and basic roof. Hip roof is also completed. This portion, to support the roof, what we can do, because this corner is hanging corner, this it is cantilever corner, we can make one design or just a simple column. I'll make just simple column. Here we will take one circle, see, enter, we will give it 1 feet. This is too big, so I will change the diameter 1 feet, and this is also, it is too big. I will hide this floor and make it 8 inch. Now it is okay. Ext enter and we can take it up to 11 feet. It is going up, so we can make it little down, 10 feet. Now we will copy the same column on another corner also. Just copy, select column, copy it from center and put it here. Now approximately our house is completed. Roof, flooring we hide flooring within the Ethernet back and object isolation. Now you can see thank you very much guys, thanks for your support. If you are getting little benefit from this one, then follow follow and subscribe the channel so that you can get the same videos in the future. We'll take it into the next level in our next lesson. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.